Right, the drive has been brought over, configured. Let's give it a rip. See if this works. Let's try the directory. Oh, look at that. Yay. Let's load this puppy. Magic is happening. Shit got real. Now, does this monitor have sound? It's supposed to have speaker in here, I think. Don't know how we get sound out. This could be a challenge. I like this one way better than the Starlight, though. Just, it looks just like
yeah,
oh,
that's nice.
It just looks.
It's perfect.
I haven't even pulled the plastic off yet. Oh, can't do it. All right. Get to loading screen.